Now, today, the Supreme Court takes up two landmark cases challenging affirmative action admissions policies at the nation's colleges and universities. The practice has been standard in higher education for 40 years to increase diversity on college campuses. However, a conservative and multiracial coalition of 22,000 students and parents argue it's actually leading to discrimination. ABC's Justin Finch has more from Washington.
A decades-long precedent in education could be overturned as the Supreme Court is once again being asked to consider whether race should play a role in college and university admissions.
Racial classifications are wrong. That principle was enshrined in our law at great cost following the Civil War.
I'm struggling to understand how race is actually factoring into the admissions process here, and whether there's any actual redressable injury that arises.
The High Court has previously ruled race can be used as a factor, among others, as campuses seek more diverse student bodies. But that could change this session with the court's 6-3 conservative majority and Americans changing attitudes. A Pew Research poll this year finds more than 6 out of 10 Americans oppose using race or ethnicity in college admissions, including majorities of Hispanic, Asian, and African Americans surveyed.
The heart of the issue is, should colleges and universities treat students differently because of their race and their ethnicity?
Edward Blum of Students for Fair Admissions is behind the Supreme Court challenges to affirmative action at Harvard University and the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, arguing those policies disadvantage white and Asian American students and violate civil and constitutional rights. Lower courts rejected Blum's position, citing Supreme Court precedent, but the High Court chose to take up both cases. Harvard and UNC underscoring race is only part of their holistic review of applicants and is crucial to sustaining minority student enrollment. And new Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson is recusing herself from that Harvard case as a former member of its overseers board. The court is expected to render its decision next year. Justin Finch, ABC News, Washington.